One of the best ways to present a hook to a fish is with a snell knot, and one of the strongest snell knots would have to be the Uni Snell. To do this, place your line through the eye of the hook. We want to do an overhand knot, encompassing the hook as well. Through, we want to do this 7 times around. 2, 'Pinching the line, pulling it up. At this stage, make sure you do moisten the line and continue pulling up. Cut off the tag end. And there you have it, one Uni Snell knot. Strength comes from the Uni knot, and the presentation comes from pushing the hook forward by going through the front of the eye.